Right, so I'm just going to break down this trade that I'm currently in on GU, and we are targeting these lows here, and as you can see, price is currently here and we're close, so hopefully we can push down, take these out. But let me start from the beginning. So this is where we currently are. Let me just blow up this side of the chart. We go on to the daily. So if we're looking at the daily time frame, we can see we're very bullish, right? Doesn't take a genius to work that one out. We're trending up. We have been pretty much since 2022. But if we go from recent price action, we've created a low here, made a high, higher low, and we've pushed up quite aggressively, okay? This 50 EMA, this is red line here. I use this indicator as price tends to come back to it more often than not, you know, so you can see we've had a big push down here and we've eventually pulled back to the 50 EMA and then carried on up, retested it and carried on. And you can just see it's a very good magnet for price. You just don't know when price is going to do that. But as you can see, we've had this run up here, this big run up here with very little to no pullbacks, right? So I'm playing a pullback now. So that's the daily. Let me pop down to the 4 hour. I have this confluence, which is for me, you've got this pattern here, which we can see, we completed the pattern here, but we've seen this fake out, and now I'm expecting a bearish move, getting people on the wrong side of here. This also coincided with taking out this level of liquidity here to the left, which is perfect to look for shorts. So now, if I pop onto the 15-minute time frame, which is the entry time frame, this is a different entry setup than my usual setup. So yeah, I can talk about this one because it isn't really one that it's not one that I learnt in a course. It's one that I've learnt off many different courses, to be fair. And this is my own sort of entry. It's very basic. I wouldn't say it's my own. I've learnt it off someone and I've sort of made it my own. So here we can see, I think, what day was this? Let me move this out of the way. This was, so the start of the week was here. You can see Monday just sort of consolidated. Tuesday, which is yesterday, we pushed up in price, creating this high, taking out this level here. And this morning I came onto the charts. This was our 15-minute level that I wanted to see break, because this was the low of in the last swing low on the 15-minute time frame that made this high. So I want to see this break, which we saw here, retest into this area, which coincides with this EMA and my fib level here, and entry was set at 0.618 fib. Price tagged me in here and has gone in my direction. So my target is these lows. So you can see here, we've got these equal lows here, and this low here, we can see I've marked it out as the previous daily low. So there should be a lot of liquidity resting below these levels here. And I've got this marked out here because we've taken this high. What was the low that made that high? It was all the way back here. So we could see price run all the way down here. But I'm quite conservative with my take profits. I don't want to shoot for the moon. And yeah, we're just targeting these lows here, which price is highly likely to take them out. Equal lows, previous daily lows. We've also taken this high here, broken back down, retested that level and dropping. and what created this high was this low. So there's quite a few confluences telling me that price is going to push down and take out these lows. My TP, as you can see, is set just above this level, 2 pips above, just to account for spread, which gives me 3.92, so just under 4%. So we'll see how this trade plays out. Hopefully it hits TP. I have got my stops sat just here, and let me change that to stop loss. I have got my stop set just here, so we're at break even pretty much. See how price reacts to these levels, and yeah, it could come back up, who knows, but there is a high probability that we take out these lows. Yeah, any questions, pop them down below, and we'll see what happens with this trade.